Hi guys! So for this video, I'll be sharing a day in my life. I started my day by checking my XM account to help my traders. And today we will be having our meeting in BGC. That is why we're heading to Taguig. So there, finally, we have arrived here in BGC. Outfit check tayo and now we're heading to Menaco Tower. I'm super duper excited because I'll be meeting my new family. And of course, the ever-supportive founder and CEO of FX Robot Empire. Alam you guys, I'm super blessed to have people around me who are willing to help to achieve my financial goals. And it started by a warm welcome by Coach Bry. Truly, it's such a privilege to meet them and be part of this team. I also get the chance to meet, of course, the newly onboarded here in Economy. We get to introduce ourselves and also be able to talk with people who are really good in trading. This is Raj, and she has been trading for the past 12 years. That is why I believe that I am in the right community. And you know what, guys? I'm literally having goosebumps because definitely this is the community that I am looking for. This community, this company has the same vision I have in my head, which is to help people meet their financial freedom. We are super excited to dominate and conquer the Philippines. And definitely, I cannot wait because we will be impacting more families here in the Philippines. By the way, guys, this is Mr. Sunny Singh. And currently, he is imparting his vision. And now, it is happening. So imagine, Sir Edsa just started 2 days ago. And he was already able to generate dollars. Grabe, who wants that, diba? I'm pretty sure gusto nyo rin yan, guys. Kaya sobrang on fire ako and I'm really super excited to share this with you. And guys, I'm really grateful with this man. This is Gio. And he actually pioneered economy here in the Philippines. He is showing his results kaya definitely kayang-kaya to. I'm super excited with my new family.
Let's go, economy!
And by the way, guys, I went to the bathroom and then I met this little guy.
Hey, nice meeting you, man. Thank you.
I'm super excited. We're part of economy.
Yes, I'm super excited sa economy kasi talagang ito, we will be impacting 10,000 families here in the Philippines soon.
Yes,
And soon sa
Philippines
Malaysia.
only.
Yes, kaya super excited ako kasi we're one of the pioneers here in the Philippines. Kaya soon, mukhang madami-dami tayo.
Oo.
Kaya guys, if you want to know more about economy, you can contact him. He is also an affiliate marketer here in economy. And this is me and Aura tag. This is Salamin. And then I went back to the meeting and we started discussing about how we will be able to conquer the Philippines. And I'm super excited because I'm planning not to conquer just the Philippines but also the whole Asia. Mr. Sunny is teaching me on how I will be able to do my marketing here. They're super kind and warm, especially see Mr. Sunny. He's been very good in forex trading. That is why I really admire this person.
Welcome to economy!
And of course, syempre, mawawala ba naman ang picture-picture? Ewan ko ba't sila nagpapapicture sa akin? Sila yung mga upline ko. And you know what? What's truly amazing here is that the young generation, they are conquering the world because they are dominating the digital world.
Hindi ka naman masuntok ni Hergie.
No.
Kaya ba't ka pa magtataka if the young generation are making millions? Kaya this is the right time for you to conquer the digital world.
We are the future economy!
And yes, the future is digital. So what are you waiting for? Be part of economy. And of course, I ended my day with so much fire and excitement in my heart. I can't wait to share this with you. Thank you, guys.